Okay, now I'm going to show you how to create your online exercise book. So I'm going to go to my school Gmail account. So I'm in my school Gmail account, and I'm going to click on this collection of squares up here, the app square, and I'm going to click on Google Drive. Now, Google Drive acts as your online version of Windows Explorer, basically, or the equivalent. You can make folders, you can store your documents and files, you can use it to organize those documents and files, and you can create documents as well. Most of the work we do on your computers will be done with Google Documents. So what we're going to do now is create your online exercise book. Just as in a lot of your other subjects, you do work in a pen and paper exercise book. This is the equivalent of that, just online. So I'm going to click on Create, and this menu here comes up. So you can create folders that you can put different documents in. You can create documents which are basically like Microsoft Word, the equivalent of Microsoft Word. You can create presentations which are like PowerPoints. A lot of you used those the other day. And also some other things as well. Most of the time we'll be using either documents or presentations. So I'm going to create a document. So this is going to be your exercise book. You're going to do all your work in this exercise book, and you're going to share it with me so I can mark it and look at it and see how you're going. You'll see that this is very familiar to what you've probably seen on Microsoft Word. You can do a lot of the same things. It's got a lot of the same features. So okay, you'll see it's even got a spell check, so if you get something wrong, you can change it, because even English teachers make mistakes sometimes. You can do a lot of the same things like changing the fonts that you can do on a Word document. You can change some of the formats. You can change the text size. Okay, all functions you're probably used to using from Microsoft Word. Okay, so this is my exercise book. Now the next thing you need to do is to share it with me. The most powerful thing about Google Documents is the fact that you can share them with other people. You can share them so other people can work on the same document, sometimes at the same time even. So you're going to share this exercise book with me. So I'm going to click share. Yeah, I need to give it a name. So I'd like you to call your exercise book with your first name. So my first name is Duncan, so I will write Duncan's exercise book. Obviously, if your name's David, it'll be David's exercise book. If your name's Sally, it'll be Sally's exercise book. Okay, and then I'll get you to also write Year 9, 2014. The reason I'm getting you to do that is because I have another Year 10 BYOD class, and it just helps me tell the difference between the two. Okay, so once you've named your exercise book with your first name, the exercise book Year 9 2014, click Save. Okay, and it takes you to this screen here. Now, what you can do with this is you can type in email addresses or names of people, and you can share this document with those people. That gives them access to that document. At the moment, access, the only person who can see the document is myself, only the owner. Okay, so we're going to invite some other people to look at this document. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to invite me to be part of your document. So you can type in Duncan, and you'll see that my email address, my school email address comes up. So you can click on that. Make sure it's Duncan McKinley, not Duncan Derrick. So Duncan McKinley, and this is important. Make sure it's checked to can edit. It needs to be can edit. That just means I can basically edit your work and have a look at your work in that way. It allows me to write comments on it, things like that. It allows me to mark it, basically. Okay, so, and share it with me, share and save, and done. Okay, and I'll have an email come up saying that someone has shared the exercise book with me. I